Travel video is one of the most popular niches on YouTube. Many YouTube channels like this one make videos of travel guides across the world and earn huge revenue. This YouTube channel has over 1 million subscribers and makes $6,000 per month. If you watch their video, it only used voiceover and stock footage. You can also make this kind of video. But what if you don't have video editing knowledge and don't know how to collect these stock footage? Don't worry, in today's video, I will explain how you can create a travel video with the help of AI. So, without further ado, let's dive in. To create a video, first, we need a script. You can research on the web and write a script. But I will use ChatGPT to write the script. For example, I want to create a video on the 10 best places to visit in Europe. I am giving the prompt as write a full YouTube video script about the 10 best places to visit in Europe. You can enlarge the length by asking more about any point. For tutorial purposes, I will keep the script short. Okay, copy the script and paste it into a Google Doc file. We need to customize the script. Delete the title and visual suggestion and change the word segment to number. Customize the whole script and make a fresh script. Alright, our script is ready. Now we will make a video with this script. To make the video, I will use an AI video generator, Pictory AI. If you are new to Pictory AI, you have to create an account first. You can create an account with your Google account or any email address. I have a premium account and I am logging in with my account. After creating the account successfully, you will be redirected to this page. There are multiple options for creating videos with AI. As I have a script, so I will select the script to video option. Click on Proceed here. Now we have to paste the script on Pictory. So, go back to the doc file and copy the script. Then come back to Pictory and hit the Paste from Clipboard to paste the script. After pasting the script, click on the Proceed button from here. Now we have to select one template. It's not very important, just select one of these. Then you have to select the aspect ratio of your video. As I am making a video for YouTube, I will select 16:9. If you want to create shorts or reels, you can select 9:16 or 1:1. Okay, after selecting the aspect ratio, Pictory will analyze your script and generate visuals for your video. This process takes some time. Let's fast forward this part. Alright, Pictory has generated a video for us. It generates videos in a storyboard mode. In the left panel, you can see the script, and on the right side of the story, you will find the visual preview of the associated script. There is a disclaimer on the preview panel. You may see a watermark on video clips. But don't worry, it won't appear on the final video. Simply click on the Got It button. Pictory has analyzed our script and generated visuals for us. But it selects videos according to line-by-line keywords. That's why sometimes it doesn't match our video context. And you have to customize the videos to fix it and make the videos more stunning. Let's start with the first scene. Click on the first script. This is the subtitle generated by Pictory. You can customize the subtitle. I will delete the subtitle. If you want to delete the subtitle, click on the CC icon from here and then click on Apply to All. Alright, now let's customize the visuals. Go to the first scene. If you think the footage is perfect for your video, then you can skip it. But I will change the footage. To do this, click on the Visuals tab from here. Now you will find a huge number of stock footage, which are suggested by Pictory AI. I think this footage is perfect for my video. So, I am selecting this one. Okay, let's move on to the next scene. Click on the Story tab to go back to the storyboard and then select the second scene. I will change this footage also. Click on the Visual tab again. If you don't like any of the suggested footage, there are other options for finding the best footage. You will find some keywords here. These keywords are taken from your script. Select the best keyword and then find the right footage. You can search for any footage also. In this way, check the full video and customize the footage if needed. Alright, our visual customization is completed. Now let's move to audio customization. Click on the Audio tab from here. You will find more than 15,000 royalty-free background music. Select one of them. Then the voice. If you want to generate voiceover, you can generate it with Pictory. Pictory has a vast number of voice models in different languages and accents. You can upload your own voice too. I will generate the voiceover with Pictory, so I will select one voice model. Alright, our background music and voiceover generation is completed. Now I will add a heading for every palace described in the video. To do this, find the scene, and then click on the text tab. After coming to the text tab, select Add a heading. After that, copy and paste the palace name with the number. You can customize the size, position, and color. I will add an entry and existing animation to make it more engaging. In this way, add a heading for every place. Okay, in the next step, I will add transitions between every scene. Click on the transition icon from here, and then select one transition. I will select Fade. After selecting the transitions, click on the transitions icon again and then select Apply to All. Our editing is now completed, and it's time for exporting the final video. To do this, click on the download button from here. It will take some time to export the video. Let's skip this part. Our video is ready for download. Hit the download button to save the video on your device. Alright, our video has been saved on our device. Let's enjoy the final video.
Hey there, travel enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're taking you on a virtual journey to explore the top 10 must-visit places in Europe. Whether you're a history buff, a foodie, or simply seeking breathtaking landscapes, Europe has it all. So, grab your passport, and let's dive right in. Number 1, Paris, France. Our first stop is the enchanting City of Light, Paris, France. Known for its iconic Eiffel Tower, Louvre Museum, and romantic ambiance, Paris offers a perfect blend of history and culture. Don't forget to indulge in delicious French pastries and cuisine. Number 2, Rome, Italy. Next up, we're off to the Eternal City, Rome, Italy. Explore ancient wonders like the Colosseum, Roman Forum, and the Vatican City, home to St. Peter's Basilica and the awe-inspiring Sistine Chapel. Number 3, Barcelona, Spain. Our journey continues in the vibrant city of Barcelona, Spain. Marvel at the unique architecture of Antoni Gaudí, including Park Güell and the iconic Sagrada Familia. Stroll down the lively La Rambla for a taste of local life. Show images and videos of Park Güell, Sagrada Familia, and La Rambla. Number 4, Amsterdam, Netherlands. Amsterdam, the Netherlands, is our next destination. Explore picturesque canals, historic houses, and immerse yourself in art at the Van Gogh Museum and the moving Anne Frank House. Number 5, Prague, Czech Republic.
I think it was a good travel video. You can make a better version of this video. After creating the video, you have to upload the video on your YouTube channel. If you are not familiar with making a YouTube channel perfectly, then you can watch this video from the I button. Alright friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear about your experience of travel video creation with Pictory AI. Share your thoughts and results in the comments section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating!